Guys, go ahead and open your boxes. Look at your ingredients. Everything must be incorporated. I will give you plating here in just a few minutes. You've got 20 minutes to cook, prep, and you have a presentation dish and 3 judges' dishes.
We got like these.
The whole world is watching.
No fresh mustard, Wagyu beef.
All right, guys, you got 20 minutes. Your time starts now. Woo! I need the captain to talk about it and the other plates brought to the judges.
If you give us more time, I can do that.
For the, we put some of the ketchup on it, and then we did tomatoes, peppers, like the relish on it is tomatoes, peppers, onions, and some peas.
Well, I can tell you the beef is done good. Then let's get into the rest of it. It's a good hot dog, ain't it? It's a good hot dog.
So in every single bite, I was able to get everything. And the way I had it turned, I ended up getting the relish last. And it was so beautiful because it has enough citrus in it. It's so bright. There's so much going on in this that it pushed everything back. It was like a palate cleanser. After every single bite, my mouth was fresh. And I was able to go back in. And I was really able to pick up and appreciate all the little nuances you did in this. But what I like is that you were able to still keep all the individual beautiful pieces inside your relish. They didn't just meld into one and just taste like, you know, citrus. I was able to actually get every single piece and what they contributed to this. And I thought that was beautiful. And the way it played off, like the natural spice that was inside that hot dog, I really appreciated that.
And I say well done. So good job, you guys.
Ketchup. That's what it was.
So you cook the wings and the
With
ketchup.
the ketchup, and we also put the Texas Chrome on.
That's a beautiful word. I love that.
Texas
Texas
Chrome
Crow.
with the onions and the peppers. Yes, you can just squeeze that on top of it. From
So we're supposed to squeeze the lime?
Yes, squeeze the lime on top of it. It's weird. It smells. And then on the weenies, along with the ketchup, we put the sweet meat in, mixed it in with it. I am so amazed by the presentation. Like, I wasn't expecting this. I wasn't expecting how it came out looking. Everything on here was beautiful. I mean, at first I thought this was guacamole. I was like, yeah, guacamole over there. Like, what?
Me too.
And then the taste. I mean, you put thought into everything. There was nothing on here that didn't have a purpose and a reason behind why it was on there and how you did what you did. And I mean, to the moon, you guys. Like, I'm gonna make these when I get home. Like, you're gonna see them on Instagram. So that should tell you. Amazing job, y'all.
There isn't a lot. I mean,
Flavor.
I don't even. I mean, I'd have to be super nitpicky, you know, on some of it, and none of it really makes a difference in the score.
No.
So I mean, I think the balance. I think it was super smart to add the citrus at the end and let us add that on there because I think that has added a little additional depth of flavor. I think you actually transformed the hatch-up by cooking it with the protein there, the hot dog. You guys did a very nice job.
All right. When you guys start your restaurant, we will do that.
Sounds good.
All right. We got 2 perfect scores in this round. By Burnett FFA so far. Now let's tally up the total. All right, 30. Burnett FFA. 85 on your score. You are the new winner.
You are in the lead.
You are in the lead.
Good job, ladies.